This is a time to know about a truly beautiful mind. A mind which is not only beautiful but also it's the best mind, the most creative mind, and the most developed mind on the earth. Yes, of course. Watching this slide, you can understand that I am talking about Albert Einstein. And I am also talking about a very important chapter of the book Behave, that is a truly beautiful mind. Students, this is an introduction class. I am your Amit sir and I welcome you all in English class. Students, this is the younghood image of Albert Einstein, and most of the people have seen this person, this great person, in only his old image as it was in the previous slide. Students, the chapter is about Albert Einstein, all about the Albert Einstein, the Albert Einstein. Yeah, you have not mistaken that मैंने सच में द एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन कहा. यू नो वाई? बिकॉज इनके जैसा और कोई नहीं. दिस इज अ डेफिनेट आर्टिकल. ये डेफिनेट आर्टिकल है, दैट्स वाई आई हैव टेकन द फॉर दिस पर्सन. He was a great scientist, as we know. The title of the chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind, refers to Albert Einstein. This is a short biography of his, where some of his qualities have been highlighted. Albert's interest in mathematics and physics, and also his humanitarian attribute. This chapter is all about the interest of Albert Einstein, how he developed himself, and how he had achieved a remarkable milestone in his career in the field of mathematics and physics. As we know that his greatest formula theory of relativity, हम लोग सब इसके बारे में जानते हैं, that this chapter is all about. The chapter will start from the birth of Einstein and it will continue till the death. But the main point, the main facts of the life of this person had been given in this chapter. The title, A Truly Beautiful Mind, makes one wonder how can a scientist's mind be beautiful. Yeah, of course, I am the person of literature, then I can feel the mind may be beautiful. लेकिन एक साइंस वाले के लिए किसी के माइंड को ब्यूटीफुल मानना, इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज द साइंस इज बेस्ड ऑन थ्योरीज. इट्स सो बिकॉज इन दिस लेसन वी कम अक्रॉस अनदर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ आइंस्टाइन. हम लोग इस लेसन में द डिफरेंट शेड्स, द शेड विच इज नॉट अ साइंटिस्ट आइंस्टाइन, we will see a human being, a true person, a true Einstein in this chapter. He is concerned about the humanitarian. He is concerned about the love and peace on the earth. And that's why his mind is called in this chapter a truly beautiful mind. He advocated world peace, non-violences, and that is why the title refers to him as a truly beautiful mind. Students, this is the introduction of Albert Einstein. I know that this is introduction is like giving a light to the sun. ये सूरज को एक दिया दिखाने के बराबर है. I know that this person is very great and everyone knows, no one disagree with this fact. So I am giving you a homework that you must find some facts related with his life, his career, and send it to me in the chat box, in the comment box. Okay? That will be very interesting because the next video will be very interesting and very creative. You know why? Because what the things have been given in the chapter, I will include. But as well as I will give you some extra information related with the life of this beautiful person. So keep my homework. Find at least one fact related with the life of Einstein and put it into the comment box. If you liked my video, then hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. And if you are comfortable, then forward this channel to other students so that everyone can get the benefit of the video. Till then, have a nice day. Enjoy learning. Goodbye.